I'm Esther Goidts. I'm a senior advisor within the Ministry of Agriculture, Environment and Natural Resources in Wallonia, so one of the 3 regions in Belgium in charge of the topic. So as you know, there is that soil monitoring law proposal, which is still discussed, and it was also discussed within the Council during the Belgian presidency. So I was involved closely to those discussions, and one of the bottlenecks was to try to understand better some methods proposed by the soil monitoring law. And actually, to better understand that, we did first a Belgian case study, but then we wanted to expand it to other member states. And so we ran a simulation exercise, and it was able to be undertaken because of EJP soil support. One of the working package of EJP soil was really dealing with monitoring design, and so they could give us some help to end up with nice results. And we were then able to continue the discussion after having solved that one. Okay, first EJP soil will be impacting the future because there were so many results produced, and so we need to take them on board to understand them and to see how to properly implement them from a national or regional perspectives. But then maybe there is a need to think over just a cycle of projects. This is one of the difficulties for policymakers, is that projects are punctual, but we need some structural long-term running system. And so we hope that with EJP Soil Dynamic, this experience might be then put in a more long-lasting setting, sort of. That's a tough question, which would be the most important thing that came out of EJP soil. It's multiple phases because it's both the research results themselves that were quite relevant for policy needs, but especially, I guess, the dynamic and the governance and the networking raising, because we cannot do it from one small part alone. We really need to gather and join forces to move forward with that complex question. So I think this is quite very relevant. There is a momentum around soil, and EJP soil is really into that momentum as well. So.